Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage, everybody. So in case you guys missed the video yesterday, it was kind of wild. Huge fireball when it started, a huge backfire. It was kind of funny. We were all laughing about it. But I'll tag that video in the end of this one in case you missed it. She does run, seems to run really well. No exhaust pipes, so it's excessively loud. But we need to do carburetor and water pump before we can continue on, because the water pump is completely seized and the carburetor will not even keep it running, obviously, because it's just old and dried up and yucky. But project for today, I'm going to see how much I can get done on this back bumper. Probably just do the same as I did in the front, half and half, because I'm not going to rush the job. I want to do a super fine job. So no hurries here. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll put you on fast forward so you're not too bored, but let's see the transformation. Okay, everybody, sun's going down. It's getting dark. I'm getting tired for the day. I've already done a bunch of other things today. So just half of it for tonight, typical. So we got that side that looks like that versus this side that looks like that. This bumper on the back is not nearly as nice as the front. As you can see, we've got some pitting back here. But again, I love the character of this car. I wouldn't change that for anything. Even if somebody said, you know, I'll re-chrome your bumper for free, I'd probably turn them down. I am so happy with the way it looks originally. These are beautiful. We're going to be buffing out the taillight lenses soon, because those will be also brand new looking when we're done with that. But all the chrome and stainless is just beautiful in this car. Not perfect, but beautiful. Thanks for tuning in. I hope everybody has a lovely, blessed evening. See you guys maybe tomorrow to finish the rest of it.